Let me open.
It's loading right now.
I'm sorry, the little light thing popped up there.
Yes, you were live.
Okay.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Michael Chungan is presiding. While court is in session, please adhere to all proper courtroom decorum. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. All right, good morning. I'm Judge Chungan. We are ready on People versus Ingrid Thompson. Good morning, counsel. May I have your appearance, please?
Honor, for the record, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name, please?
Ingrid Thompson.
Thank you. The defendant is going to waive rights and plead guilty. There is a recommendation before the court. In reading the recommendation, I am a little bit confused, Your Honor, because it indicates that the defendant would plead guilty to one case and have what I believe should be the remaining 3 cases dismissed.
So I see that on citation ending in 797, have no outs on person, leading straight up. And then on citation ending in 935,
It's confusing, Your Honor. I would ask if maybe we could call Mr. Morgan in to.
I don't think.
yeah, on 935, I'm showing it seems to be conflicting. Dismissal on count 1, where it says no reduced plea on count 1, and we have a remaining count 2 that I'm a little confused about.
Sure, it's unaddressed.
And then on 699, there's no plea.
Your Honor, I'd ask if the court could recall this case. We get Mr. Morgan, because count 2 is not addressed here, and that is a state count for failure to display. And it's from 2015, Your Honor.
Well, I tell you what, we're going to start, we should always start with the clerk. So Ms. Edwards is going to look into this and then going to ferret out some sort of plea bargain.
Yes, Your Honor. Standing by.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, because the other matter is favored. Mr. Boston,
Yes, I have a text message from Mr. Miller queued up to see what he wants to do as well.
yes, the other matters are state matters. The ones that's not on the offer are state matters.
Okay, so count 2 is I'm looking at it right now in the ROA. It's SP 437 9352.
It's a state matter.
That is on the ROA it's city.
He meant to put a 2 instead of a 1. He put another 1.
Okay,
That should be a 2.
right, but why would he say no reduced plea on those and
Because they're state matters.
oh,
Mr. Miller has to look at those.
Okay, well, you can call him. I'll just write this whole number down.
Right.
Did you get him on the phone?
I'm gonna call him.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask him to come on the meeting.
The SP 1216991 is a state matter, along with SP 477-935, count 2 is a state matter.
2866.
Okay,
And after you dial that number,
I'm gonna have him come on to the meeting.
ID number 360.
Are you calling him?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Next call. All right. All right. Okay, Mr. Arms is about to call.
All the ones, see, Your Honor, when it says no reduced plea,
I see this.
those are state matters. That's why they put that. Your Honor, I guess we while we wait on the process.
Next, we have Ato
Oh,
Taylor.
hello,
Yes, hello.
my name is Keith Arms.
Okay, hold on, sir.
Okay.
Your Honor, I didn't get the name of who you just called. This is Denisha, court reporter.
All right, it's
Keith.
Not you, I'm
Taylor.
sorry.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Ato Taylor, Denise. Ato Taylor.
Thank you.
Yes, this is Hatu Taylor.
For the record, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Taylor, for arraignment purposes, we'll waive a more formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor. Thank you.
And further, you have had an opportunity to pre-try this matter, and that's going to tender a plea to misdemeanor improper plates. The original charge would be dismissed, is that correct?
Mr. Taylor, is it your intention to waive rights here and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, there's an offer that they will reduce the charge to improper plates. That's no points. You will pay a fine and it won't go on your driving record, okay?
Yes.
Okay, Your Honor, the defendant is prepared to waive rights and plead guilty. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Taylor, good morning, sir. I'm Judge Chungin.
Good morning, sir.
Standing, you're going to dismiss the misdemeanor no insurance, which lead to another misdemeanor of improper plates, but as Mr. Walker said, this will not have any consequences for your driving record. Is that your understanding and your desire, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and do you swear or affirm the testimony about the given the matter is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Taylor, you're pleading guilty because on August 3rd, 2019, in the city of Detroit, you were in fact operating a motor vehicle, the 2006 Dodge, with improper plates. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, officer, please be accurate, voluntary, and understanding, and accepting the plea bargain agreement in toto. Today, Mr. Taylor, you have claims and costs of $140. Want you to tell me, sir, how long do you need to pay that in full?
I didn't hear the total amount, Your Honor.
$240.
By can I get like 3 weeks?
Let's make it 30 days.
Okay, sounds wonderful to me.
So you have to pay it within 30 days. Understood, sir?
Okay, Your Honor.
Because I have to tell you, if you don't pay it, bad things are going to happen. All right? Warrants could issue for your arrest. You get in trouble with the Secretary of State. So simply put, make sure you pay $240 within 30 days.
Yes, Your Honor. $240 in 30 days.
Right, you can pay that at the court's website,
You don't have your court.
or you can appear in person to pay that.
court case.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Taylor, thank you, sir, and you can hang up at this time. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. You have a blessed day. Peace.
7, 8, 4, 5, 1. Okay, X 3747 8451 SC. And what's a good phone number? Phone number, the phone number.
My phone number?
Keep arms.
709.
Keep
Okay,
arms.
well, court is in session right now, so the clerk will have to get back to you, okay?
Mr. Bachman,
I have Mr. Miller on the meeting.
good morning, Mr. Miller.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, are you?
Good.
So, Mr. Miller, we have before the court Miss Ingrid Thompson. She has an offer to plead to one city count and have one city count dismissed. Those are both no-ops. She has remaining 2 state counts. One is for failure to display. It's from 2015. And the other one is a no-op from fairly more recently. Could you dismiss your state counts based on the defendant's plea here to the city counts?
The plea on the city count is for a no-ops?
Or a no-op?
Yes, I can dismiss.
Sorry, I missed the last thing you said. I believe that was a yes.
It is, yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank you kindly. Appreciate it. Always.
Is there anything else?
That's the only thing we have so far, but I'll bother you later if I have to.
All right. Well, while I'm here, Madam Clerk, there's going to be a different prosecutor covering the traffic dockets for the better part of the next 2 weeks. So I wanted to make sure that you had the contact information.
We don't want no one else.
I hate to leave too. We built a beautiful thing here.
Oh. So you have to give me his information?
Yes. So we recently got a unit phone for the traffic docket. So this will just be like a phone that you can always call to get one.
Okay.
So would it be best to chat you?
Yeah. Or you can better yet, can you email me the information?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, I will shoot you an email with that as soon as I get off. So.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right. Have a good weekend, everybody.
Hey, thanks.
Mr. Bachman, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
On Ms. Thompson, is it a correct recitation that she would plead guilty to citation ending 797? And that the other remaining matters on citation ending 699 as well as 935 would be dismissed. Is that correct, sir?
Absolutely, yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, Ms. Thompson. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah, somehow off camera. That's okay, but I'm still here. You understand, ma'am, you're going to plead to one count, no operators on person. The other 2 cases, which had 3 extra charges, would be dismissed. Now, that's your understanding and your desire?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thompson, raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm the testimony about the given matter is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
And you're so pleading because on August 25th, 2016, in the city, you're operating motor vehicle and you failed to display a valid license, for a police officer Williams. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
excuse me. This is not a fail. It is a failure to display. Voting that. Okay, I'll accept that plea, the active voluntary understanding, and the plea bargaining agreement total. Ms. Thompson, we have fines and costs today of $240. I need you to tell me, ma'am, when this would be paid in full. Choose a date that's something you can live up to.
I didn't hear the amounts, Your Honor.
It's $240.
In the next couple of days?
I'm going to note, so if I note within 7 days, you're going to take care of that, for sure?
Yes.
Because if you don't, ma'am, then all I can tell you is you kind of goof up the whole plea bargain agreement. I mean, warrants could issue for your arrest, you get in trouble with the Secretary of State, it turns into a mess. So make sure you pay the $240 within 7 days. That's payable at the court's website, or you could come to the court in person and pay them. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Y'all have a blessed day. I can leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
All right, are we ready on Keith Harms? Mr. Keith Harms?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna leave.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. And appearance, please, on behalf of Mr. Arms.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Mr. Arms and I have not had an opportunity to speak because he's calling on the phone. He's unable to. I'd ask if we could do a breakout room briefly, Your Honor, so I could discuss the offer.
Mr. Baughman, again, this, we have a city as well as a state set of violations here, just to let you know.
Okay.
All right.
Would the court be able to edify me as to which counts are state?
Okay, on citation ending in 1-8, excuse me, citation ending in 057 is the local case. Citation ending in 181 is a state case that has 3 counts.
Okay. I'm going to ask Mr. Miller to come back and with my apology, Your Honor.
Very well. All right. Thank you, sir.
Hello?
One moment, sir. We'll be right with you.
Okay. I'm sorry, your name was Mr. Taylor? Is that correct? Do you have a phone number that I can call you on? Hello?
Thanks. So we do have another case. This is Mr. Keith, excuse me, Arms. He has 3 state counts. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Correct. 1 civil infraction, it's like 2 misdemeanors, civil infraction, no proof of insurance, misdemeanors, driving the unregistered vehicle, and an unlawful plate.
Okay. If he would like to plead responsible on the civil infraction for no proof of insurance, then we can dismiss the 2 misdemeanors.
Okay.
All right. Anything else?
Hello?
Would you just hang out for a second while I break out with the defendant? Just for a second.
Yes,
Your
yes,
Honor,
sir.
can you assign the defendant and I to a breakout room so I have a quick conversation with him in private?
Okay, can I give you some input?
One moment. Before you start speaking, I want to be somewhere where you and I can talk without everybody listening to it.
Okay.
You have to stop.
And alternatively, you can call me on, I assume you know how to use a 3-way on your phone. You can call me. I'll give you my telephone number if you like. That would be
Okay.
easier.
That'd be
313.
great.
Here I am,
Okay.
313-948.
948
2683.
2683.
Yes, sir. You can call me now.
Call now?
Yes, sure. Yes, please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do we have to get more? Like, stop the light?